Hey everyone, I'm back with another video and this is about why you should read The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic book about the set of basic principles of finance in the form of short stories. The theme of these stories are really simple that a person can work hard, learn from his mistakes, and improve his skills to become wealthy. So basically, this book is for those who want to be financially stable and want to achieve success in their business as well as in their life. Now I am going to share 5 points in this video. Why should you read this book and how this book will help you to apply these basic principles in your life. The first point is how to save money from your income. This book will teach how you can save money from your income by applying a simple technique, and I feel it's really easy to follow but very difficult to maintain consistency. So this book will show you benefits of saving by an easy method and how you can keep a small part of all you earn. Second point is how you can control your expenditure and invest to increase your wealth. Well, this point is for those who are in business and want to increase their wealth. And for that, they need to control their expenditure and invest in something by which they can increase income. This book will give tips to live your life within your means and how to invest and what to do before investing money. The third point is why you should increase your ability to earn. This book will teach why you need to increase and improve your skills, and for that you should study and learn how you may achieve your goals and how you can increase your earning. It is an experience from which you will learn and grow in ways you can't even think right now. Fourth point is how to make your own luck. Well, we all believe in luck, but in this book you will read it is about those who seek luck by hard work and seize opportunity when it knocks. So for that you have to work hard and should not let negative thoughts and self-doubt rule your life. The fifth point is where there is a will, there is a way. Okay guys, this is something I found very true. Because if we really want something, we'll find a way to get that. And for that, we need to work hard, set attainable goals, and need to learn from our mistakes. And to be honest, I have applied this one last year. One more thing, this book is not only for working people or businessmen, but it is for everyone. And it is really a timeless treasure with great insights, so everyone should read it.